Alright guys, welcome to the live demo of ProfileMate. I'm gonna jump straight into it and show you how to use it and the results it will get you, because at the end of the day all you care about is this going to get your results and how easy is it to do. So first I want you to think of any page that would have a following on Instagram that you want to target right. For example, I'm going to use Tony Robbins in this example in a minute, and ProfileMate going to go through all of his followers, 5.4 million followers, one by one, and start. And then pull the key information that we want to get from hundreds of emails a day. Mobile numbers, websites. You can see an example here of the type of thing you'll get. You can then take these emails, take the numbers, take the websites, take the usernames, and then go ahead and mass contact them. So what I'm going to do, find users, I'm going to go for the followers followings. There's other options here as well. We're going to view Tony Robbins followers. Born. I'm going to hit analyze, and that's how simple it is. You can see here we've already gone through 250, 300, 350, 400 users, and it's going and building me this audience instantly. Now I want you to think for a second. I'm just going to download that. I want you to think for a second any page that would have an audience that you want to contact. So if you're in affiliate marketing, for example, here's an affiliate marketing page, 64,000 followers. And it's born. We literally got hundreds of emails here that we can reach out to and contact, phone numbers, descriptions of what these people do, their names, so on and so forth. If you're in e-commerce, you might want to do Nike or any sporting page, right? We took this image here and we went through and got the most engaged users, and you can see all of the different followers and the engagement scores, public emails, and so on and so forth. And we did it for cooking page here. You can see all of the different results that we got here instantly, and we even did it for an Instagram account that is about Paris, right over in France. And again, all of these insane results here. So simply let it run, download the file, and it's going to give us the usernames. Boom, I'm going to copy that, hit analyze users, paste that in there, type Tony Robbins. It's that. And then you'll be provided with all of the key areas and information we can build an audience on, from public emails, phone numbers, websites, engagement scores, what jobs they do, and so on and so forth. We're going to select the door we're going to get next. And then ProfileMate is going to go out and start to get all this information for you and provide it to you in a really nice little document like this here, and you can see instantly. We've already gone through a bunch of users. We've got 2 emails so far, and it will continue on like this. Let me pause this for a second and I'll come back in about 60 seconds. Alright, we're back, and you can see here, we've now got 85 emails and we've scanned through 849 users so far. So you can imagine how many emails we will get when we get up to the 5 million mark there. And the beautiful thing about this is every email is given from the Instagram account with permission for you to contact them. They want to be contacted, and I just want to show you a quick example of one of our main affiliate partners who tried this other day. Just did exactly what I showed you, implemented it here live in their actual campaign. They did a test campaign for affiliate marketing, sent an affiliate link to the leads they found, and you can see here has made $1,000 and more, and just as impressive. In my opinion, 26% open rate, 9.1% click-through rate. It's absolutely insane. And you can see here the $1,000 in sales made here as well. So I think it's an insane tool, and I'm so excited for you to jump in and use this. Never have to pay for ads again, get all the launch rate bonuses and whatnot. Now I'm going to jump back into the studio and show you how I will double your money back if you use ProfileMate and you don't get results on day 1. It's literally gonna be a risk you not to pick up, so I'll see you back.